What's up everyone? Welcome back to Heze channel, your go-to place for business, finance, and online income tips. If you're looking for ways to make money online fast, you're in the right place. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes here. This is about legitimate ways to put in the work and see those earnings hit your account within 24 hours. In today's video, I'll show you 10 legit websites that will pay you within 24 hours, some even up to $150 per hour. That's right, you can make some serious cash flow with these websites. And the best part is they're accessible to everyone. We're talking about the specific websites, how they work, and how much you can realistically expect to earn. So let's get started. First up, we have Fiverr, a true giant in the world of freelancing. It's evolved from $5 gigs to a platform where you can charge what you're worth. Think about what you're good at: writing, graphic design, video editing, programming. Fiverr is a marketplace where you can offer these services as gigs. You can start earning money today. Next, we have Upwork, another powerhouse in the freelance world. Now, Upwork is similar to Fiverr in that it connects freelancers with clients, but it offers a slightly different approach. Upwork is known for its emphasis on longer-term projects and higher-paying gigs. Whether you're a skilled coder, a marketing whiz, a wordsmith extraordinaire, or anything in between, there's a good chance you'll find clients looking for your specific skill set on Upwork. Upwork also offers a robust system for client reviews and feedback, which can be incredibly valuable in building your reputation as a freelancer. The more positive reviews you rack up, the more attractive you become to potential clients, leading to more gigs and higher earnings. So, if you're serious about building a sustainable freelance career, Upwork is definitely a platform you should consider. Let's talk about TaskRabbit, a platform bringing the gig economy offline. Enjoy hands-on work and in-person interactions? TaskRabbit is for you. Assemble furniture, mount TVs, help with moving, or stand in line. Connect with people willing to pay for these services. Leverage your skills and time to earn locally. TaskRabbit offers flexibility. Choose tasks, set hours, and work around your schedule. Earn a decent hourly rate, often paid immediately. Meet new people and explore your city. Alright, let's dive into the world of microtasking with Clickworker, a platform that allows you to earn money by completing small bite-sized tasks online. So what exactly are microtasks? We're talking about simple tasks like data categorization, image tagging, audio transcription, and even participating in online surveys. These tasks are usually quick to complete, and you can often do them from anywhere with an internet connection. Clickworker pays you per task completed, and while the pay per task might seem small, it can add up over time, especially if you're consistent. Plus, they offer various payment methods, making it easy to cash out your earnings. Ever wondered what it would be like to get paid for sharing your thoughts and opinions? Well, with user testing, that dream becomes a reality. This platform allows you to earn money by simply testing websites and apps and providing your honest feedback. Here's how it works. You sign up for user testing, complete a short demographic survey, and start browsing available tests. These tests typically involve navigating a website or app, completing specific tasks, and answering questions about your experience. Each test usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and you can earn around $10 per test. Plus, it's a fun and engaging way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Attention all language enthusiasts. If you have a neck for words and a keen ear for detail, Rev might just be your perfect side hustle. This platform connects you with clients who need audio and video content transcribed, captioned, or translated. Rev offers a flexible way to earn money from home on your own schedule. You can choose from a variety of projects, ranging from short audio clips to full-length lectures and everything in between. The more you work, the more you earn, making it a great option for those looking to supplement their income. They provide comprehensive style guides and resources to help you deliver accurate and professional work. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, Rev allows you to tailor your work schedule to fit your lifestyle. Do you love English and connecting with different cultures? Cambly might be your calling. Earn money teaching conversational English online, no degree needed. Connect with students worldwide eager to improve their English. Chat one-on-one through video calls, helping with pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. Enjoy flexible hours and work from anywhere. Choose students based on your interests and availability. Witness your students' progress and confidence soar. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence systems learn and improve? Well, with Appen, you can be a part of the process. This platform offers a variety of tasks that contribute to the development and refinement of AI technologies, and you get paid for your contributions. Appen offers a range of tasks, including data annotation, language translation, and social media evaluation. These tasks are essential for training AI algorithms to understand and interpret human language and behavior. You might find yourself transcribing audio for self-driving car systems, evaluating social media content for sentiment analysis, or even training chatbots to provide more human-like interactions. Plus, it's a great way to learn about the rapidly evolving field of AI and contribute to the development of technologies that are shaping the future. Looking for a way to earn quick cash in your spare time? Look no further than Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk. This platform, operated by Amazon, connects you with businesses and researchers who need help completing small online tasks. And the best part is, you often get paid instantly. MTurk offers a vast range of tasks, from data entry and transcription to image tagging and survey participation. These tasks are typically quick to complete, and you can choose the ones that interest you or fit your skills. While the pay per task on MTurk can vary, it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your downtime. You can work as much or as little as you like, making it a perfect option for those with busy schedules or those looking for a flexible side hustle. Last but not least, we have PeoplePerHour, a platform that caters specifically to freelancers in creative writing and web development fields. PeoplePerHour operates on a project-based model, allowing you to browse through a curated selection of projects and submit proposals for those that pique your interest. This platform is known for its high-quality projects and competitive rates, making it a great option for experienced freelancers. The platform encourages ongoing collaboration, which can lead to a steady stream of work and a loyal client base. Plus, they provide resources and support to help you succeed as a freelancer, including contract templates, invoicing tools, and dispute resolution services. And there you have it, 10 legitimate websites that can help you start earning money online today. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income, or you're ready to dive headfirst into the world of online work, these platforms offer a world of possibilities. To maximize your earnings, sign up for multiple websites and combine them for consistent daily payouts. But I'm curious, which website resonated with you the most? Which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know down in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more money-making tips from Hezi channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.